Local man living in the same home where police say a little girl was found unresponsive in bed and later died is now in jail.
Tyrone Golson was arrested for sex crimes involving a minor. Action News Jack's Robert Grant is live at the JSO headquarters. And Robert, police say these charges are separate from the 6-year-old's death.
Yeah, Tanika, and as for that case, the undetermined death, police here tell me they're still waiting on the autopsy report. Still could take a couple more weeks here, but they're waiting for that right now and have not yet ruled out foul play. Meanwhile, we learned the Department of Children and Families also had an open investigation before that little girl died. The home where police found a 6-year-old unresponsive is now the scene of a crime. Tyrone Golson was arrested after a sex crimes investigation involving a minor. According to this heavily redacted report, the victim gave the suspect their phone number, and they exchanged text messages and phone calls. It goes on to say the suspect also picked the victim up in his red pickup truck from their home and transported to his home. The 6-year-old is now charged with unlawful sexual activity with a minor and possession of child porn. Action News Jack's law and safety expert Dale Carson explains police likely discovered this suspected crime during the undetermined death investigation.
They will find information like they did here, which allows for a secondary charge. So the investigation is not over yet.
Last week, I told you police found a girl unresponsive in bed at her Woodstock home. She was taken to the hospital where she later died.
You just be in so much pain and trauma that, a lot of times you just can't comprehend.
I've since learned the Department of Children and Families already had an open investigation within the past year at the home. I asked DCF for information, but was told it's ongoing and, quote, the department conducts investigations concerning all allegations of abuse, neglect, or abandonment. Information regarding investigations is confidential. What does that tell you?
They're under a microscope already.
I dug through calls to police from the address on Allison Street and found 5 disputes, including one with someone who is drunk, 4 domestic calls involving alcohol, and a general domestic call, all within the past 3 years. And I did dig through some of the court records and found a petition for Golson for a temporary restraining order. That was back in 2021. He's now here in the Duval County Jail on $1 million bond. With local coverage you can count on in downtown Jacksonville, I'm Robert Grant, Action News Jax.